Good morning, everyone. This is David with Bolivar Live. Well, you'd think that we had some mountains in the background or something with all this snow, but if you want to see the beachfront, and I'm going to make a pan view real quick, and I'm on the back end of the camera. And so this is our saltwater gospel cam on the beachfront here in Crystal Beach, Texas. And y'all stay tuned because we actually got Coastal One up. We hadn't been on the road yet, but I figured now I can actually say we have white sandy beaches in Crystal Beach, Texas. And so there's the view from the saltwater gospel cam. And actually, that's the view you'll have while you're sitting in a pool at the house uh, that Swedes has there. And so anyway, all of our beachfront cams, the only one that's down right now is the rollover pass cam, and it was up last time I checked, but for some reason it's not cooperating today, and so we're going to get down there as soon as this snowmageddon stops and check it out. But you can go to our website, BolivarPeninsulaTexas.com, and look at all the beachfront cams. But let's take a look at what it looks like here. And this was a little bit earlier this morning um, on the in the parking lot here. I hadn't gotten out yet, but I can tell you the roads are starting to slick up. And right now in this view, the roads look pretty clean. But I can tell you, just in the last hour, probably, I saw someone come down the road and they didn't spin out, but they lost traction. And so there you can see how much snow. Now it's all snow. We had a lot of sleet earlier this morning. In fact, when I went out about 3 o'clock, and this was probably about 2 hours ago, now most of that's covered up. And there you can see, in fact, this was at 8:30. I think 8:15, 8:30 this morning, if I'm not mistaken, because I remember I called the big store to make sure they were going to open, and they are open. They opened at 9 o'clock, and I believe they're going to close early, like at 4 or 5 o'clock, maybe a little bit earlier, depending on the conditions. But we've got Coastal One up, and we've got those views coming in, and it was a little different than what I thought. And the wind was up. We still had 28-mile-an-hour winds with some gusts to 32, so I wasn't up very long. But there you can see Coastal One. See the icicles hanging off the lights there, and the wind's supposed to die down a little bit later today, and they had said that it looked like the edge of the snow now was about Katy when I was watching the Weather Channel a while ago. And so as soon as we get the temperatures aren't going to really drop much now. They may go up a little bit, but there you can see what the road, and trust me, I came in on this. That may look like there's nothing on the road, but a lot of that is slush and frozen ice. And so if you don't have to get out, please don't get out. I was outside for probably about a half hour and counted maybe 3 cars that came by, and one of them had trouble getting traction. There you can see a truck going there on the highway, and everyone's driving slow. Don't get in a hurry. Like I said, the big store is open if you need anything, but please be careful getting down there. And so, just thought I'd give you a different view. Want to thank Prestige Custom Builders. In fact, man, we had some awesome shows that we're going to start today. Landon and I uh, have some neat shows coming out. In fact, about the next 4 or 5 weeks, starting next week, are going to be pretty neat. They're a little different, and Landon came up with the idea, and I really enjoyed it. I've watched all of them several times to learn from them, and want to thank Landon, one, for being an awesome customer, but also building an awesome house and putting the time in for these Bolivar live feeds, because he's a one man operation, and really goes out of his way for his customers, but he takes time whenever I call him and say, hey, we need to record a couple shows. He lets me know what he has open and comes in, and we get the shows knocked out. And so if you're looking for a custom home down here, maybe some remodeling, he's been doing a lot of remodeling and some floor replacement after Burl. Give Prestige Custom Builders a call and check out their social media, check out their Facebook, their website. They've got some phenomenal photos. But there you can see what it looks like from Coastal One. Like I said, we're going to try and get back up once the weather clears a little bit and do a lot more flying and give you a above aerial view of snow here on Bolivar. Like I said, I was talking to Landon earlier, we've probably had 2.5 inches, I would think 2 inches so far, and it's really not letting up any. There you can see Gregory Park, West Canal Beach Buggies, Cobb Real Estate there, and we're going to spin around and you'll be able to see the big store down there with their white roof and their white parking lot. But anyway, just thought I'd give you a look around a little bit on what it looks like here in case you have a home here and you're not here. Like I always say, we want to keep you connected down here and let you know exactly what's going on. The bridge is closed. It closed about 2:30 this morning, the 124 bridge. And so you can go to drivetexas.org and see all the road closures around, any wrecks and everything. And so make sure you check that out. The ferry is operating. I believe they're running one ferry, and so it's not going to be a fast process, but you can get to Galveston or you can come in this way. It's just a matter of, excuse me, can you get down 45? Because I know there's stuff in Louisiana closed on I-10's closed in some areas, 55, and I'm sure the overpasses coming down 45 are getting a little slick. They were showing some snow plows that showed up in Houston, and so they're starting to plow the roads and that. So anyway, just wanted to show you what it looked like down here. I've been in the office since about 4:15, watching the snow amounts, watching it sleet, watching a little bit of everything. There goes someone down the highway there. Might be a sheriff. They've been down here patrolling, making sure everyone's okay. Forgot what I was going to say now. I don't get tongue-tied that often. So anyway, we're going to head on out. Enjoy the view. Enjoy some time with your family. Very few people are working today. A lot of businesses are closed down. I know Galveston schools are going to be closed down today and tomorrow. And I'm sure a lot of other businesses are going to be impacted and closed down an extra day for the safety of their employees being able to get in. This should move out hopefully around 1 o'clock today for a lot of people. Louisiana, in East Texas, it'll be a little bit later. Please check on your neighbors, check on your pets, make sure they're okay inside. They shouldn't be outside at all. Bundle up, build a puzzle, read a good book, and just enjoy a winter day here on the upper Texas coast, because there's not much more. We do have a white sandy beach now, though. I can honestly say we have a white sandy beach. So anyway, we're going to head on out. Hope you enjoyed the show. We'll be back a little bit later on with more updates on what's going on. Remember, we are going to have our coldest night tonight, probably. And so check your pipes, check your neighbors. If anyone needs any heat, please ask for help. We're here to help you. We'll figure something out to get you a warm place to stay. So we haven't heard of any warming centers open yet, but we'll check on that for this afternoon. Until next time, I'm David with Bolivar Live. Y'all have a great day, great week. Come see us. Stay safe. Stay off the roads today and enjoy the home life. Until next time, God bless and bye bye.